Okay, for hip IR, PAILs and rails, what you're gonna do is you're gonna begin in a supine position. So we're gonna get into internal rotation of the femur, and some people prefer their tibia to be also like neutral with them, so to go with them into that position. Some people have pain in that position if their tibia is that way, so they have to either internally rotate their tibia or externally rotate their tibia. So what I'm gonna have you do is figure that out based on what you feel when you're in the exercise. So on your back, you're gonna bring feet a little bit outside of your hips. Bring this down as far as you can without letting this hip lift up. So this is my range of motion. My hip would be lifting up. So find the in range, there, relax, and then now add a little bit more over pressure. So just use the other leg to pull this one down and then see if you like that position of your foot. For me, that feels okay. I don't like going outward. I could probably go inward. So just kind of figure out wherever that in-ring position is, what feels the most natural to you. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna ramp up. So I'm gonna be pushing into external rotation. So I'm trying to get out of this position. So I'm pulling this leg with my leg, but this leg is blocking it so it can't go anywhere. So when I say ramp up, I mean you go from 10% of your max effort, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Hold that 100% for 5 seconds. Really, really hold it. You should be shaking at this point. And then you're gonna relax, and then you're going to try to pull this leg downward towards the ground for a count of 10 seconds. Relax, take a couple breaths, and do it again 2 more times, so 3 times total. So I'll do one with you. So you're here. So first I find my range of motion. There. Okay, and now I'm gonna start ramping up. So I'm going this way with my knee. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. You should be shaking. And relax. Pull this towards the ground. Down. 2, 3. You should get further. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A couple deep breaths. Rinse and repeat 2 more times, and then other side. So if you're hitting that 100% max capacity, really getting in there, then you should be really struggling and you only need a couple reps and you are good to go. Hope this helps.